Hey, I want to show everyone the progress we made at our York Region basement project and all the plumbing we did. All right, here we go. So before that was the washroom. Right now I'm under the stairs at the powder room area. Before this drain main was like inside the bathroom and was covered by a box. Now we moved it all the way in here with a clean out. And this is under the powder room. Now, this area right now will be enclosed for a baby's playroom in the future. So this drywall right here, it's all empty. If the situation requires it, this can be easily cut open and the plumber access be given to this area. Coming out here, today we did a whole bunch of electrical, marked out all the position for the pole lights. And here you see all the drain we did. There was a big crack right here that we fixed. Over here, we added a drain for the new kitchenette. That's going here, leading to the backyard. All in all, it's a pretty good progress today. Tomorrow, all the light will go on, and I'll be able to make better videos.